We are out in lovely Newberry Park, California, my friends. There's the Mishimaka Trailhead, highest area of the Santa Monica Mountains. And we're here looking at one of our Pondless waterfalls. Very simple, but very natural in the flow of this one. I really love creating this and love the way the attention to detail worked out. Including this little chute right there. I just love that one. I love the sound that it makes. Here, let's listen to it. Okay, now let's listen to this sound. So, different falls make different noises. Now, right next to it is our 11-foot stream heading into a 10-foot pond, and it's crystal clear. It's exquisite. Those are fish caves in the bottom down there. And there. Places where we have lights. At nighttime you can see down below, and it's places where fish can hide from their natural predators, which are herons and raccoons in this part of the country. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.